परत एक फावट येवकार तुमकां आमचे बरोबर आसात अवेर्तानो बाब. म्हाका एक गजाल सांग, तुमगेलें इलेक्शन जातकीर एक चर्चिलान प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतिल्ली आनी ताणें सांगलें की इलेक्ट्रॉनीक वोटींग मशीन्स मॅनिपुलेट जाल्या म्हणून. तुवें इलेक्ट्रॉनीक वोटींग मशीन्स मॅनिपुलेट केल्ली, ही 2,500 लीड मेळटात लीड घेवपा खातीर, म्हाका खरें सांग.
Nothing like that.
सिरियस एलिगेशन.
I know it's a serious allegation, but they were in power. It is they who could do all this manipulation, not me. But I'll tell you, I did nothing with that. It was just the people's vote that I got. And Churchill has been blaming everybody. He blamed the priests first, then he started blaming the EVM, then he blamed all the senior Congress leaders that they did everything. But he is not blaming himself. He is not ready to accept like what he did and why he lost. He should think of that first. Like what corruption he was involved in. He should think of that. And what he did for the constituency. You can't keep blaming and cheating people now and then. People are smart enough now. They know to show you when it's time and when you should sit at home now. So he can't blame the EVMs, and I've done nothing with the EVMs.
दुसरी गजाल ताणें म्हळें की इवन तेन्नाचे चीफ मिनिस्टर दिगंबर कामत वर्कड अगेन्स्ट हिम.
No,
And
nothing.
that benefited you.
Nothing. And to be very frank with you, I never met our ex-CM. During election days, I never approached him for anything. So the question like he is supporting me doesn't arise at all.
तूं काँग्रेसींतल्यान कोणाचोच हेल्प मेळ्ळा?
Nothing.
कोणच नाशिल्लो?
Nobody.
लुईजन येना?
Luizin was not with me. Like, he was there, but he didn't come out. I mean, he was a congressman, so he could not come and support me.
So all those things that Churchill says that led to his defeat are all false.
All false. He should learn to accept his defeat. Like how he lost, he should know. He should not go on blaming everybody. He even blamed the priests. During elections days also he was blaming the priests that they are supporting me. See, the bishop gave them a circular where they can talk and make the choice for the right candidate. So that was the only thing they were preaching, nothing else. This fellow blamed the priests that they are giving a sermon like they should not vote for him. Never. They never said that.
They never helped you?
Priests, no. Priests, they just gave their sermon like where they got the circular from the bishop. That was the only thing. They didn't take any name like they should not vote for Churchill, they should vote for me. Nothing like that.
They कांयच नाशिल्लो?
Nothing like that. Nothing.
Now the next thing that is coming is पंचायत इलेक्शन. हे परत सामकी मेजर गजाली आसतल्यो, कारण नवीन सरकार आसा, त्या सरकाराचे मिनिस्टर आसात, त्या सरकाराचे MLA आसात आनी आतां पॅनलां जातलीं. तुजो रोल कितें आसतलो पंचायत इलेक्शना भितर नावेली?
My role, like, I will not interfere much into this panchayat. Whoever comes will be mine and I'll work with them.
कितली स्ट्रॉंग ओपोजिशन आसतलें ह्या खेपे तुका?
I don't see any opposition. Because when Churchill also starting, he said there is no opposition only for him.
कितले चर्चिलाचे मनीस आसचेत ना तुमच्या अगेन्स्ट रावचेत ना?
There will be. But now the people, they know that I am there, so they will certainly work with me. And I don't think there will be any tough opposition for my candidate, at least. Nothing.
चर्चिलाचे ओपोजिशन सुद्धा you don't consider it?
No, nothing.
After this whole thing, चर्चिलाक मेळ्ळो केन्नाय? मेळपाचो चान्स पडलो?
Soon after counting, he was coming out and I met him there only. So we embraced each other and he said, "You won the elections." So that was the only opportunity I got, nothing else.
ताजे उपरांत परत आनी उलोवपाचो चान्स मेळ्ळो?
Nothing. After that I have not got a chance.
केन्नाच मेळ्ळो ना? कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी भितर तुज्यो आतां जेन्ना पंचायत इलेक्शन जातात तेन्ना वॉट आर द मेजर इश्यूज यू आर लुकिंग एट, जे ह्या लोकांक घेवन ग्रासरूट लेवला वयले गव्हर्नन्साक घेवन सरपंचाक घेवन तुका टॅकल करपाक जाय?
Constituency work, like, the gutters, garbage, that will be my priorities, like I will really work on that. So now also I've already started the gutters because rains will start soon. So all those pre-monsoon works have started in serious now. So they will be my main priority works, like, starting now, the panchayat.
दुसरी गजाल आसा ती स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्ट्रीची तुवें म्हणली. समजा फाल्यां तुका स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्ट्री दिली, तुका दिली किंवा आनी कोणाकय दिली, किती कामां तुका स्पोर्ट्साच्या सेक्टरा भितर करून घेवपाक जाय?
Given the sport ministry, first thing I'll develop all the grounds, and that will be my main thing. Then I'll start an academy, that is for sure. Academy I will start. then our ex-footballers, ex-nationals, international footballers, I would like them to get pension, you know. So that I will really start and concentrate more on such things. And start football from the grassroots, you know, getting youngsters involved in it.
Where do you think things went wrong as far as football is concerned?
Okay, if you ask me that, starting like more Goans were involved in all top teams. And slowly, gradually, the foreign input started coming. They, you know, then outside players, so our footballers, Goan footballers took a back step, like, you know, that we are not getting a chance to play this national teams and international. So there I feel, you know, like this foreign input should be cut down a bit and our Goans should be given more preference.
But एक argument है कि they wanted better quality and foreign inputs provided that better quality. You agree with that?
I agree with that to a certain extent, yeah. But it's killing our Goan talent also. Like, you know, we have so many Goan good footballers, you can say. Years back, a Brazilian coach had said, and he commented that Goan footballers have the same potential which the Brazilian players have. The skill work, stamina, everything. He says, I don't see why Goan footballer is lacking behind. He had a good praise for Goan footballers.
So don't you think problem lies when आमी तांगे grooming करता that starts at a very late stage where आमी केन्नाय seriously football कडेन as a profession or something that can be taken ahead for livelihood. We have never given a thought to it. Till date, the political leadership also did not do it, and even the sports associations did not do it. Don't you agree with that?
I agree with that. Fully agree with you. You know, things should start at a very young age. You know, children should be given a real boost at a very young age. But I would tell the parents also, because they play a major role in this. If the parents give a good boost to their children, like you go start playing football at a young age, then it will help a lot. Because parents also now they think education is important. I fully agree with that. But side by side, they should send their children to play also. You know, like give them a more encouragement in football. Not only football, other sports also.
फाल्या, because you have so much of inputs into it, knowledge into it. समजा तुझेकडे येऊ मिनिस्ट्री किंवा येनाका किंवा आनी कोणाकडे वचूं तुगेली डिमांड आसतली की फॉरेन प्लेयर्स जे आमी घेतात तांचे एक लिमिट आसचे म्हणून.
Yeah, I will surely have a demand, like, you know, there should be a certain restriction for foreigners.
कितें? What restrictions you will suggest?
Now I think they can take some 5 players and only 3 can play. Like, you know, if they could be reduced, that's what I feel.
Yeah.
Like, you know, to give our Goan footballers a better chance.
What is the restriction you would put?
At least 2, not more than that.
Not more than 2.
Yeah, not more than 2.
Anything specific that you have in your mind apart from the academy? जय आमचे टॅलंट आसा ते यंग एजीचेर ग्रूम करपाक जाय. Any other initiatives that are needed to do that?
See, there are good coaches in Goa also. Given a nice senior coach to youngsters where they can groom them up at a very young age. You know, a good this thing will help them a lot. There are many good coaches in Goa, like Marian Dias, who was the coach for the Goan team, and they won it also. There is Savio, international coach also. Like, they should be given a chance, you know. Then there are many other good coaches like who can take up this challenge, you know, getting the youngsters up. So I would feel like they should be given at a very young age.
Because you are a sports person also and you are a politician also. Do you support the idea of politicians hating sports associations? A very frank answer, and you are the right person to answer it.
If you say no.
Why? Now you are a politician, so now you are exactly at a point where you can answer this and sincerely answer this.
I really can't, like I really don't know what to say. Like, you know, why it should be like that?
Why do you feel that politicians should not be there
in like sports?
Heading the sports body?
It should be given to a sports person only, like, you know, who understands everything, you know, and who can really work.
एक आर्ग्युमेंट असता की पॉलिटिशियन जर थंय असलो जाल्यार आमचे कामां बेगीन जाता म्हणून असोसिएशनाचे काम आसूं किंवा स्पोर्ट्स बॉडीचे काम आसूं पॉलिटिशियन जर थंय उरलो जाल्यार ते कामां बेगीन जातात. दॅट इज अ मेन आर्ग्युमेंट जेन्ना पॉलिटिशियनाक अपॉइंट करतात तेन्ना येता. यू सपोर्ट इट ऑर यू डोंट एग्री विथ इट?
If as far as that goes, you can say like work can be done fast, but I don't think so. Someone else should be given a chance.
Sports person should be there.
Yeah.
So
sports
now, as
person.
a politician and a sports person, you feel that still politician should not be there,
Yeah.
and a sports person should be
Sports
there.
person
So
should be
professional should be
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
डू यू फाल्यां जर तुका अशें चान्स मेळ्ळो जाल्यार तूं सगळे पॉलिटिशनाक काडून उडयतलो असोसिएशना वेल्यान?
No. That I will not do.
वाय? इफ गिवन अ चान्स, वाय नॉट क्लीन इट?
Given a chance, to a certain extent, yeah, I will. But the way you said, सगळ्या काढून
सगळ्या काढून उडो, पण ज्या जाग्यार गरज आसा त्या
where
जाग्यार
there's a need, there should be change.
There should be change. Do you think आमगेले इवन स्पोर्ट्स फ्रटर्निटी भितर खूब जाण अशें जाल्यात की पॉलिटिशियन्साच्या प्रेशरा सकयल येतात आनी कांय गजाली जशी जावपाक जाय तश्यो जायना. फेवर्स असतात, फेवरेटिझम असता आनी हाका लागून त्रास जातात.
Yeah, that should stop. Yeah, there are a lot of things I know, like that should be brought to an end. Yeah.
मेजर इश्यू करता तो आतां तुगेलो गोवा क्रिकेट असोसिएशना सारकें मेजर असोसिएशन, जंय दयानंद नार्वेकारा सारको मनीस आसा. असोसिएशनाचे हाजे पयलीं खूब एलिगेशन जाल्ले आसात,
Right.
अजुनूय जायत आसात.
Right.
कांय तुमचे कॅम्पांतले मनीस आहात जे एलिगेशन करत आसात. विल यू लायक टू सी एनी चेंज इन गोवा क्रिकेट असोसिएशन
Yeah.
इफ यू टेक द command?
Yeah, there has to be.
What
Yeah.
kind of changes?
Like administrative side, you're saying, or the
Both.
administrative?
I'm
yeah.
saying both.
Yeah, there has to be a revamp in it, and there should be a good cricket stadium also. That one thing there has to be, because every time they make a pitch on the football stadium, that's not right. That part becomes slippery after. It's not, you can't play on that ground after. Me being a footballer, I know that pitch becomes very hard, and you really can't play on.
You
that
can't
pitch.
really
Yeah.
play on it. So एक स्टेडियम जाय आणि एंटायर गोवा GCA चे फंक्शनिंग रिवॅम्प जावपाक जाय. That is your opinion.
Yes.
आणि विल यू प्रेस फॉर इट? तुका मिनिस्ट्री मेळू किंवा न मेळू? सो व्हेरी, बिकॉज युअर अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन अँड यू कॅन मेक अ डायरेक्ट ऑब्झर्वेशन अबाउट इट.
Yes, I will.
You will press for revamp of GCA.
Yeah.
And what about GFA?
GFA, they have just had elections, so everything is okay there in GFA.
Everything is okay in GFA,
they are
but GCA needs revamp. GCA needs revamp.
Yeah.
सो ह्या हाजेर आमी ही आयची मुलाखत हांगा सोंपयतात. कांय म्हत्वाच्यो गजाली सांगल्यात. इलेक्शन कशें जालें, इलेक्शन कसो जिखलो तें सांगलां, आनी त्याच बरोबर बिंग अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन पॉलिटिशियन आसची न्ही. आतां ते पॉलिटिशियन जाल्यार, पण पॉलिटिशियन स्पोर्ट्स बॉडींचेर आसची न्ही अशें मत ताणें मांडलां. म्हाका खबर आहा तुमी मिनिस्ट्री घेतल्या, पोर्टफोलियो थंय चल्लां, बट स्टील यू केम इन अवर स्टुडियो अँड गिव अस दीस फ्रँक इंटरव्यू. थँक्स अ लॉट. इट वॉज प्लेजर टॉकिंग.
Thanks. Nice meeting you. See you. Bye.